Hi, my name is Tony, and I'm from Optronics. So here at InfoComm, we're sharing our latest ChLCD full-color e-paper technology. So on my right, this is our e-paper plus solar application, and we call it Infinity Display. So basically, in the front, you see a color e-paper using ChLCD technology that has more than 16 million colors. But behind this display is a solar panel. So as you can see on top, so in this meter, it shows the voltage of the solar panel. So if we block the light to it, so the voltage drops. So this is a proof that this e-paper technology can be embedded with solar panel. So come to our website at iris-opt.com for more information about Infinity Display. Thank you.